At the School Garden Network Pavilion, kids get to explore heirloom seeds, gardening, and environmental science hands-on. The pavilion is a popular place with school groups and families, and it's easy to see why. It's packed with 3 days of fun and games, including educational activities, contests, and competitions. More than 30 school gardens from the Sonoma region showcase their work in the pavilion too. And there's even a cool beans seed swap and a sunflower growing contest for kids. There's also a play area outside, perfect for exploring and meeting new friends. The School Garden Network and Baker Creek are excited to cultivate the next generation of heirloom enthusiasts and invite families and students to experience the diversity of the world through food. All area schools are invited to attend and participate, and there's financial help available for schools that need it. See you in Santa Rosa.